What's not really bad is today's forecast. If we have outdoor plans, tomorrow not so great, and it's starting tonight when we've got that severe threat. So let's talk about the rain chances. I've got a low chance for a shower or a rumble today in our southeastern counties and along the Red River. If you're around the Metroplex, I think it's quiet. It's just hot and humid. And then we'll see a storm complex from the west come in late tonight. A lot of this happening after 9-10 o'clock in our western zones, moving through the Metroplex overnight and into tomorrow morning. There is a wind and hail risk. The severe threat will be around through the first part of tomorrow. Flood threat will then increase as we go through tomorrow. The question is, where does our front stall? If it stalls to the south, Central Texas has a better rain chance Monday afternoon. If it stalls near the I-20 corridor, then we've got more thunderstorms around the Metroplex. So still some timing concerns there. I do think a lot of the wet weather, the higher coverage, will be in the morning hours tomorrow. And then after that, we're going to briefly dry things out just a little bit. So in terms of our severe risks, it's wind and hail, the greatest concerns. And we all know that hail up to golf ball, maybe 2-inch size hail in a few of those storms, not good. Now, not all the storms will be severe, but with very heavy rainfall, I do think the flood threat will start to go up tomorrow. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see a flood watch get issued. So pretty widespread, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 expected for us in a very short window. We're talking tonight and tomorrow. So a lot of this is going to come down. We'll see more than one round in several areas, and that's where those higher numbers are going to be. Now, I didn't officially mention the tornado threat. It's low with this, but it's not zero. Whenever we have bowing segments and complexes like that, you could see brief spin-ups, but as of right now, the tornado threat is low. Temperatures currently mid and upper 70s. Okay, getting breaks in the clouds earlier this morning compared to yesterday, and that is just a sign of things to come. I think we got a lot of sunshine this afternoon, and those temperatures are going to soar well into the 90s. Our front still stalled near the Red River. The rough weather this morning, parts of Oklahoma and Kansas, severe threat there at this point. And here close to home, there's just not a whole lot happening yet. Upper level system is going to move into the plains, help drag this front through, and it's moving at a snail's pace. So we expect it to stall and not really clear the area tomorrow in most spots. And then it's not until Tuesday that it actually could finally shift well enough to the south. So a few showers again, southeastern zones, and then afternoon, maybe a rumble or two near the Red River. Low to mid 90s for highs, feels like near 100. And then watch what happens tonight, 10, 11 o'clock, approaching our western zones. All of this moving through North Texas during the overnight. The leading edge of these storms likely the most intense with that damaging wind and hail threat. We expect to have more activity going through Monday morning, likely going to see the bulk of this in the morning. So that means the afternoon we may be stable enough to not have as much development. Still think a couple of showers or rumbles possible, but likely the severe threat will be much lower. So it's generally tonight and first half of tomorrow where we have the greatest chance for severe weather, and then everything will shift to the south. We're looking long range, and we've got cooler than normal temperatures, so we say goodbye to the 90s at least for a little while. Here's your forewarned 7-day forecast. We'll be here late tonight tracking those storms for you. Make sure to have more than one way to receive severe weather alerts. This is a high coverage event, but low probability of severe weather in your area tonight, tomorrow, and then drying a bit, low 80s going through your Tuesday, Wednesday. We're back with more storms on Thursday, and then towards the end of next week, it's looking pretty good.